Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Today we're gonna talk about environment problems, but before we start, I noticed that someone seems very busy with her phone. Oh, sorry, teacher. I was just checking a message. Well, I suppose this message is more important than the climate change. No, teacher, the class is interesting. I will put my phone away. Thank you. Sometimes the phone is very attractive during the class. Yes, teacher, they can be distracting. I'm glad you say that because when the students use their phones, it usually means to the lesson is not very exciting. No, teacher, the lesson is good. I will pay attention. Perfect. Now let me ask something. Why do you think the environment problems are important today? Is because pollution and climate change affected people on the planet. Exactly. And imagine if ignore these problems the same way students something ignore their teachers. That will be a big problem. Yes, it will. So today we will discuss how a small action and can help the environment. That sounds interesting. Good. I'm happy to see that all the phones are now clearly in the backpack. Message received, teacher. Excellent. Now we can ready to start the lesson. In this performance, we demonstrated how the pragmatics influences communication in the discourse classroom. Pragmatics studies how meaning depends on context and speaker intention, not only in literal words. For example, when the teacher says, I noticed to someone seems very busy with her phone, the teacher didn't not directly say, stop using the phone. However, the student understood the intention. This is an example on the indirect direct. In a second sentence, have the teacher when say that message is more interesting than the climate change. This sentence is an example of the irony because the teacher does not literally believe that the message is more interesting in direct the teacher the indirectly citizen the student behavior. For finally the teacher when for finally the third dialogue reflects the power relation in their classroom discourse when the teacher guides the interaction and the students respond. According to the discourse analysis, the communication in students such as school often reflects social roles, community. This performance shows that the understanding language requires more than grammar or vocabulary. It requires recognize speaker intention, the context, the unimplied meaning, which are key aspects pragmatics in discourse